Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a hack to use and generate your SEEDANCE video at a cheaper credit unit. So this particular tutorial is a kind of a request from one of my subscribers, and he commented on one of the video I did concerning Grok, where I showed you the hack to get cheaper generations on. So he requested for same thing using SEEDANCE. So in this video I'm going to show you how to still go about it to get a cheaper generations use with your SEEDANCE 2.0 models. So without further ado, let me just go ahead into showing you how to go about it.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright guys, this is the website we are going to be using. I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section. Just ensure you check it out. So the thing there, if you're on this website, you have to sign up. You sign up to an account to log in. Like I'm already logged in. So you just log into your account. Sign up process is not hard. Just sign up with your Gmail account. So now once you log in, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now what you're going to now do is to head over to search for your either click on the search here, then you click on models, or you just click on exploit, then it's going to bring you it's the same thing. So now what you're going to right now search for your model. Now for this case we are going to be using SEEDANCE. Now remember I said this particular tutorial is for basically on request for those people that are using that feel they want to use SEEDANCE more on this. So I'm just going to show you guys how to go about it. So you search for SEEDANCE. So once you search for SEEDANCE, it's going to bring it out. You see all the whole this and that has to do with SEEDANCE. So now what we're going to now do, you can see we have version 1. This one is version 1, but we're going to be using the latest version, which is the version 2, image to video. That's the one. So I'm going to copy the link of this. Then I'll now go back to my Then I'll now go back to my Figma app. So now from here, now what you're going to now do, you see that from here to you have to sign up to your account. So you can say I'll be pinning the link. So once you do, you sign up. I've already signed up, and this is my dashboard. I've used this account. For once you sign up using a new email, they are going to give you 150 credits already. If you have been following me very well, you notice I created this account yesterday and I was given 250 credits. I used 10 credits to show you what I needed to show you for the Grok video I did yesterday. So now on this one, we are going to be using SEEDANCE. So I'm going to just click on any of the crate file. Now I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to bring you to another interface. So now this is the interface. Then I'm going to click on skip for now. Now next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just click anywhere on this dashboard. So I'm now going to click on import model. Then on the URL side, you can see there is it. You can now import the link, add the link. You can see there is it. Now if you should check closely, you'll see that for me to do generation on this is going to cost me 81 credits. And if you check the icon, you can see it's the same icon here. So that's telling you that we are using that particular model on this website currently. Now if you notice, this is what we have. And now let me now show you something. I said this one is 83. The only difference about this and the one I did is that's for the one of the Grok is that you are going to, for SEEDANCE, it's not has. Now if you should change the time, it's going to, if you should increase your time, it's going to increase your credit, unlike the other one that was we were able to generate up to 50 minutes with the same number of credits. So I'm going to return it back to the 4 seconds that will consume 89 credits. So now let's try something here. I'm going to now, on the aspect ratio, you can set the aspect ratio to whatever you want. So let me now go ahead to show you. Now if you were to use your SEEDANCE from here directly, it's going to cost you, this SEEDANCE 2 is going to cost you for each generation, each 4-second generation is going to cost you about 127 credits. That's just the difference. So this other one is quite cheaper than this. There are other models that if you should use, this one will be more expensive than the main one though. So just take note. But for that of SEEDANCE, I think SEEDANCE is also a bit lesser. So now once you're here, the next thing you're going to go on, I'm going to click here and bring export. Then I'll link my exports to it, so that I'll be able to, this will assist me to export my file. Then I'm going to now click here and bring in my prompt. I'll keep my prompt somewhere and now link the prompt to where I have prompts. So now I'm going to drag it somewhere, and now click again. I'm going to bring imports. Then this import, I will link it up with my image file. So I'll from here link with the image URL. So now this is it. Now I'm going to, now on this side, I'm going to click and bring in the image I want to use. So okay, the other one I use this particular image. This time let me use this image and see. Now I'm going to now paste in the image. Now while the image is loading, I'm going to paste in my prompt over here. So I'm going to remove everything here and paste in my own prompt. So I've pasted in my prompt. So the next thing we are going to do is to, you can see everything is already set for us to do our generation. Now I'm going to now just click. I think I've set my aspect ratio. Now the duration, I've set it already. Then now if you should increase to this, it's going to select this, is going to increase your credits unit. So I'm going to reduce, it's going to still be the same 81. If I should take this, it's still the same 81. So I'll just use that one. And number of, if you want to each generate multiple copies of it, you can increase it from here, but I'm going to leave it as just one. Then I'm going to now click on run, and you can see immediately it will start generating my video for me. So now I'm going to just wait for it to finish generating. At the end of it, we're going to see how the video looks like. But remember, it's just 4 seconds, so it's going to be really fast. All right, you can see it has generated my video for me. So to then view it, to export it, you can just click on this render export, and it's going to render it, and you can see exports. It has exported my video for me. So now I'll be playing this particular video. I'll be playing the video and what is generated at the end of this video, so you see what it looks like. So guys, I want you to just try it out and let me know if it works for you. But as I said initially, that they are going to be giving you 150 credits on this website once you sign off. Now, for using this trick, definitely it shows that you are only going to be able to just generate one video successfully using your SEEDANCE model, but the remaining credits won't be enough for you to generate 2 videos. So that's just it. You cannot generate more than 1 video using this SEEDANCE based on this.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.